So we ended up finishing out the weekend by getting all the roofing on our deck, and we also got the wires up and ran out for all of the exterior light fixtures and fans. There's going to be like 6 light fixtures out on the half wrap porch, and then 4 fans, 2 on the front, or 2 on the side, 2 on the back. And then on the front porch we got the light wire ran out for that light that hangs down by the front door. We also got the final floodlight installed and just worked on some of that. There's still some electrical things that have to be done and lots of plumbing. The cabinet situation, so they're not ready, but the cabinet maker was able to get the bases framed up and set. That way the countertop template people can come out so that they can make the template. So by the time they're ready to install, we should have all of those done. They're working on them right now. I'm not sure if you can hear me because of all the excavating noise in the background, but that's exciting too. Our excavator's here to do our final grade, and hopefully we can get some seed and straw down on this yard before the rain that's coming throughout the week. So just one more step in the right direction, because that has to be done in order to get a certificate of occupancy, or I think even a temporary CO. So we're very thankful to have that happening today. And I'm going to work on staining doors again. I got right much trim done as well this weekend. So today I'm going to focus on the doors since Jason's here, and I have 2 left. I have to have him help me take them apart because they're too heavy and too much for one person to do. So, and right now I'm just waiting on the countertop template. They're getting ready to do that, to measure for that today. So I'm going to meet with the guy here in just a few moments, and that will be underway. We may work hard, but most times we try to sneak in a little bit of fun time if we can. So a lot of you know that we live at my dad's house right now, and my dad and stepmom actually sold her house, and so they are going to need a place to live. And while that's absolutely fine for us to still be there, we want to try to be respectful to them and give them a place, since it's dad's in the first place, to be able to put their stuff, because right now our stuff is packed in there like sardines. So we're trying super duper hard to get, sorry gnats, we're trying super duper hard to get a temporary CO or even a permanent CO. But like, as you can see, this wire back here hanging out, there's a lot of work to do here. But we'd like to be able to do that in order to give them space. Right now we're packed in there like sardines and there's just no room. So they would have to store a lot of things, and honestly that's just unnecessary. When you own a home, you should be able to put the stuff in the home. So we're working really hard to try to get things moving and get out, but there's a lot still to do for our part, but there's also a lot riding on other folks. So our excavation did get done. We got the yard seeded and strawed, seeded and sown, whatever. Apparently they want you to have the grass coming up, so we are trying to water as much as possible and praying for rain, so that there will at least be some green, that if we have to dig through the straw, we can show the inspector. The inspector's coming out, I think maybe tomorrow, to do the gas line and final HVAC inspection, but then we'll have the final. So we've got a lot of work ahead of us, but a lot depends on other people, mainly our cabinet folks. There's been some issues there. It's taking forever. We were on the list over a year ago, and they said it was 2 months out. Make sure we gave them plenty of time, which we have, and they did great by getting the bases set for our countertop templates to be able to be made, but then they had to take the bases back out. It's supposed to be here on Friday, so I'm a little antsy about that, honestly. I'm not sure it's going to happen, and if not, it's going to hold up everything, because the countertops are supposed to be set on June 3rd. So, I mean, Friday is what, the 28th? So you're looking at a long time if we don't get them in here, because that Monday is Memorial Day. So if the if the cabinet guys don't get the cabinets set on Friday, or at the very latest on Tuesday, then the countertops are going to be pushed back, and who knows, we'll go at the end of their list, I'm sure. So I'm stressed and not too excited or happy with the situation, so we'll just have to see how it plays out. When you don't have any control over something, you just have to wait it out and see and pray about it, and so that's where we are with things right now.